Kyathini kya Kutania Athukumi Labor Day Kila Kyatwaiiw'a Uhuru Gardens Musine Munene wa Ilobi Muandiki Munene Ngwataniaoni Athukumi Cotu Atwoli Easya Niwiyumbanitye Kutia wia wake Nayu Eteele Usungio Yiulu Ukulyo wake wa Misaala ya Athukumi Kuthoimwa na Kwongelwa Aiweta Misaala Yaile Kutilwa Kwianana na Musaala Utena Allowance Indi Kutilwa Musaala uonthe kana gross salary kabindani kombini samuvani wa Athukumi Alfred Mutwa Niwatetea Easya muvia uni wende na kumantha mawia Easya kwa kuikithia ni mamina cartels alusani na ngangania alamende kunyamasiana kubena Kenya musumbe William Ruto yenda ene makambuni alamata isa kwenisya mwio wa mwaka mubitu wa kuongela Misaala ya Athukumi kwa kilungu cha thanthatu yolwa yana kuikithia kana nimeanisekeu lina musangi no kutweleza
ni chathi cha miongo thanthatu chotania muthenya wa Athukumi wenda Labor Day chathi kila Kyatwaiiw'a Uhuru Gardens ni musini wa Ilobi na vala Muandiki Munene Ngwataniaoni Athukumi kana Cotu Atwoli uwetie chelelo cha kyathi kikwisuo na kwikitha kana uchumi wa nzini waendea na kwiana.
Our this year's theme is self-reliance in production is the key to economic growth. Your Excellency, unless we are in producing, unless we are in manufacturing, unless we are attracting foreign exchange, our economy can hardly grow. But if we produce and we support you towards that direction, we will be in a position to power economic growth and create more employment for our young men and women.
Sumbi William Ruto na Aiweta ilovia sia pension ni sia vetangwa koti no kenda kumatungia move Athukumi atenika onduma na Athukumi kuolango imwe sia koti.
Notably, to improve workers' take-home pay, employers will now be required to apply eligible tax relief and exemptions directly when calculating pay as you earn, a significant shift from the current system where such reliefs can only be claimed from Kenya Revenue Authority. This will increase efficiency and immediately benefit employees. Additionally, all pensions and gratuity payments for both the public and private sector will now be tax exempt. This reform is a recognition of the service and sacrifice of our senior citizens and workers, and a step towards ensuring that retirement is met with dignity, not stress.
So in November last year, the Wages Councils did meet and reach an agreement. We signed that agreement in State House. Within days of the agreement being signed, FKE issued a circular to employers advising them to implement the new statutory minimum wages. So it is not right that employers or Federation of Kenya Employers has objected to the implementation of the statutory minimum wages. Neither have we been made aware of any dispute, any company in the private sector under our membership that is being accused of not implementing or has not implemented. We'd really like to get that detail and be able to address it.
Na Minister muveani Alfred Mutwa no thingililia vata wa Athukumi kunengane ndaya akumi okanya muvi kuyala methito maonyanyasa Athukumi mawiyani.
I get a lot of reports in my office about sexual harassment. Sexual harassment in our workplaces. Nataka kuambia Wakenya kwamba mrembo akiandikwa, our sister, our children, our daughters, akiandikwa kazi, usianze kumpangia, unaanza kumnyemelea, na akikukataa unamfuta kazi, unaanza kumharas. We must ensure there is a safe working environment for our young girls and even our young boys. That power dynamics is something that we'll be talking about.
Minister Munene Musaala mudavadi no wete uchumi wanze isa wende na kwa ila weta ni kindu cha utania na muno kukathi ya Athukumi manzi ya Kenya.
Kenya's economy is the 6th largest in the entire Africa. Your Excellency, this is a very big achievement. And as we celebrate the 60th anniversary of our workers, we want to recognize that Kenya would not have attained that without the sweat of the workers of Kenya.
Kuripoti ya mlingo wa mauvo Nilina Mosangi.